Hello guys, if you want to know how to change your fan speed, or you can say how to control fan speed in any graphic card, so how you can do this task. So let's get started. So first of all, you need to know what is your motherboard, okay, or you can say which company you have motherboard. Like if you have any motherboard related to MSI, then you need a software like MSI Afterburner. And if you have any kind of Asus motherboard, then you need to install like GPU tweak 3. And if you have any kind of AMD motherboard, then you need to install like AMD Adrenaline. Okay, so you have to choose these three options, whichever is suitable for you. Now in my case, I have like MSI motherboard, and I want to control this. I want to control my speed by using this software. I have already installed in my PC, like you can see over here. This is my you can say MSI Afterburner, and over here you can see when you open this task, you will see there is a fan speed. Okay, right now I'm not able to do anything on this screen because this is not active. We have to click on this A option. When you click on this A option, you can control your fan speed very easily. Okay, and by mistake if you have done this thing, then in that case what you can do, you can reset this speed at their own factory reset options. Okay, and you can also lock this option, and by using this method you can easily control your fan speed in any graphic card. Okay, so if this video will helpful, please hit a like button, and thanks for watching this video, my dear friends. Bye bye.